afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. It's a real privilege to be here at the National Piping Centre for the launch of the Royal Regiment of Scotland Pipe Music Collection Volume 1. My name is W1 Peter Grant, the Senior Pipe Major of the Army, and I'll be guiding you through this afternoon's performances. Over the next hour or so, you'll hear music performed by serving soldiers from the Royal Regiment of Scotland, and hopefully leave with a better understanding of the stories, traditions and the people behind this new collection. This year, the Royal Regiment of Scotland marks 20 years in its formation in 2006. By military standards, that's still a relatively young regiment. By piping standards, however, the regiment carries centuries of tradition and musical heritage that has helped shape military piping as we know it today. When the regiment was formed, it brought together 6 proud regimental traditions from the Royal Scots, the King's Own Scottish Borderers, the Royal Highland Fusiliers, the Black Watch, the Highlanders, Seaforth Gordons and Camerons, and their Gaul and Sutherland Highlanders. Each with its own history, music, composers, duty tunes, and way of doing things. One of our greatest responsibilities since amalgamation has been to build a new regimental identity without ever losing the identities that came before it. That's exactly why this collection was produced. This isn't simply a tune book, it's a record of the regiment's musical identity. Alongside the official duty tunes of the regiment and its battalions, it contains original compositions from serving and former members, capturing both where we've come from and where we're going to. This isn't simply as with all piping traditions, each generation inherits something, adds something, and leaves behind something behind. This collection is our contribution to that continuing story. This afternoon, we have a programme of performances by serving pipers from across the regiment who will perform tunes from the collection, including their own composition and music associated with their respective battalions. So we'll now move on to our first performers. Our first performers represent 2 Scots, whose roots lie in the Royal Highland Fusiliers. Formed in 1959, the RHF brought together 2 distinguished regiments in the Royal Scots Fusiliers and the Highland Light Infantry, and became renowned for its strong Glasgow identity. Today, that heritage remains a key part of 2 Scots. Interestingly, the Royal Scots Fusiliers was once commanded by Lieutenant Colonel Winston Churchill during World War I, after he resigned from government following the Gallipoli campaign. The battalion is unique within the regiment in carrying the 3 colours on parade, including the historic Assay colour, awarded for extraordinary gallantry at the Battle of Assay in 1803. Notable former pipers from within the regiment include Pipe Major Gordon Walker and Major Gavin Stoddart, MBE, BEM. 2 Scots are currently based at Glencor's barracks near Pennycook. They wear the distinctive red Erskine tartan, and their Pipe Major is Colour Sergeant Joe Davies. Today they will play a mixture of 2 Scots duty tunes and traditional tunes with the Garb of Auld Gaul, the Mucking of Geordie's Byre, McDonalds Away to the War, the 74th Slow March, Aspen Bank, Archie Brown's Reel and the Red Fox. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a quartet of pipers from 2 Scots. SCOTS